For over a decade, McDonald's Monopoly game was rigged, and the company had no idea. Every major prize winner, the million-dollar jackpots, the luxury cars, the cash, almost all of them were frauds. Jerome Jacobson was the head of security for the company that printed the game pieces. He had access to every winning ticket before it reached the public, so he started stealing them. He built a network. Associates with mob connections spread across the country. He would pass them the winning pieces, they would claim the prizes, and everyone would split the money. For 12 years, this went completely undetected. Over $24 million moved through the scheme, dozens of people involved, and McDonald's kept handing out the cash. The whole thing only collapsed when a single mob informant talked to the FBI. What followed was Operation Final Answer. More than 50 people were arrested and convicted. The most audacious part? Jacobson hid an organized crime network inside a children's game, in plain sight, for over a decade. Nobody suspected a thing.